Hi, this is Traveling Molly. Travelers can get meaningful value from credit cards and points toward flights, hotels, or upgrades when the rewards outweigh the costs. This series will explain how to start and optimize as your needs grow. Benefits, terms, and even available cards change regularly, so I'll keep checking and keep you in the loop. Today, I'll start with 4 no annual fee roles: first card candidate, everyday Visa, rotating category card, and starter travel benefits. I've used every card here. This video is not sponsored and combines my experience with current independent research. This is general education, not personal financial advice. Terms and eligibility change. Only choose a card that fits your finances and pay in full and on time. Interest and fees can erase rewards. Current sources are below. The headline is Traveling Molly's up to estimated value. Guaranteed cash or fixed statement value sits below. Chase is up to 2 cents per point and Citi up to 1.9, only with premium card pairings and favorable transfers. Cash is 1 cent. Discover earns cashback bonus, not points. Cash is dollar for dollar. Molly estimates up to 1.2 times through select gift card offers. Availability and value vary. US Bank is up to 1 cent for travel or uneligible deposit, but 8 tenths as a statement credit. For little or no history, check Discover pre-approval or the student version. Approval is never guaranteed. It earns 5% cashback bonus in activated rotating categories on the first $1,500 each quarter and 1% elsewhere. First year cashback match doubles earnings after 365 days. Rotating 5 becomes 10% cash and 1 becomes 2. Assuming select gift card offers reach up to 1.2 times value, Molly estimates are up to 12 and up to 2.4% in year 1. Ongoing, up to 6 and up to 1.2%. Availability and value vary. I started here and built roughly 6 months before my next approval. My experience, not an issuer rule. Freedom Unlimited is my everyday Visa once Chase fits your situation. It earns 5 points through Chase Travel, 3 at dining and drugstores, and 1.5 everywhere else. That is up to 10%, up to 6%, and up to 3% Molly value. Guaranteed cash is 5, 3, and 1.5%. These rates are uncapped, and the Visa works at US Costco warehouses. The current offer is 20,000 points after $500 in 3 months. Freedom Flex suits category trackers. Its rotating 5-point rate applies only after activation on the first $1,500 in combined quarterly spend. After the cap and elsewhere, it earns 1, except 5 through Chase Travel and 3 at dining and drugstores. Molly estimates are up to 10% for rotating and Chase Travel, up to 6 for dining and drugstores, and up to 2 elsewhere. Cash is 5, 5, 3, and 1. This quarter covers gas and EV charging, public transit, and United Way. As a MasterCard, US Costco does not accept it as a credit card in warehouses or at gas pumps. 2 cards are sidebars, not new applications. My legacy Freedom Visa earns 5 points in activated rotating categories up to its quarterly cap, then 1. It also earns 1 elsewhere. Citi Custom Cash stopped accepting applications on May 28th. Existing Citi holders can use 5 points for their top eligible category. That is up to 9.5 and up to 1.9% Molly value, with 5 and 1% cash. If it reopens, I would re-evaluate it. Altitude Connect specializes in near-term travel. It earns 5 points on prepaid hotels and car rentals through its travel center. Travel or eligible deposit redemptions yield up to 5, up to 4, up to 2, and up to 1%. Statement credit values are 4, 3.2, 1.6, and 0.8. This Visa has no foreign transaction fee, 4 Priority Pass visits after enrollment, and up to $100 for global entry or TSA pre-check. To maximize benefits, compare Activated Flex and Discover for rotating category spend and watch both quarterly caps. Use Unlimited or Flex for 3 points at dining and drugstores. Unlimited is my 1.5 point Visa for everything else and Costco. Existing Citi holders can use 5 points for their top eligible category. Altitude earns 4 on direct airfare and general travel. Unlimited or Flex earn 5 through Chase Travel. Merchant coding controls each category, so verify it rather than assume. My starter path is Discover for eligible students or newer credit, then Freedom Unlimited for everyday Visa spend. Freedom Flex suits category trackers. Altitude Connect specializes in near-term travel. My 6-month story is not a rule. Apply selectively and never pay interest for rewards. Next, I'll show how my estimated Molly travel values work and when a premium card helps. Compare the current terms and pay in full. See you on the next adventure. Meow.